Hello everyone, I Sapna welcome you all on my YouTube channel UPTET Educare Strike a Light for Learning. Today I am going to discuss with you all some capsule. Now you all are thinking what this capsule stands for. So this capsule stands for important questions that are really important for your exams. So let's start. First question. The gases present in atmosphere that cause greenhouse effect are methane, water vapor and carbon dioxide. Then next question. A management tool comprising a systematic, periodic and objective evaluation of how well an environmental organization, management and equipment are performing is known as environmental audit. Then third one, where is Nook Creek Bioreserve located? The answer is Meghalaya. Then fourth question, biotic environment includes producers, consumers, decomposers. Then alpha diversity represents species richness. After that, sixth question, ecosystem term was coined by Tansley. Okay, the answer is Tansley. The term ecosystem was coined by Tansley. Then, abiotic environment does not include what abiotic environment does not include are plants, right? So these are the 7th important questions. Now let's move to the 8th question. The abbreviation EVS stands for, the answer is environmental studies. Then teaching of EVS should encourage process skills which are the core of inquiry based hands-on learning. Which one of the following is not such a skill? That is determination. Then 10th question, the tropical cyclones of the Bay of Bengal are usually called, what they are usually called? The answer is depressions. Then 11th question, soil erosion can be prevented by afforestation. And 12th, biosphere reserves conserve wildlife, traditional tribal life and forest resources. Then 13th question, chemical used to kill rats and moles is called as rodenticides. Answer is rodenticides. The chemical which is used to kill rats and moles. Then 14th question, cropping pattern involving a definite pattern of rows is known as intercropping. The answer is intercropping. Then move to the next page. Given below are some human activities: digging of mines, constructing dams, collection of leaves and herbs to sell them in the market, weaving baskets from bamboo, making leaf plates out of fallen leaves. The activities responsible for the disappearance of forest are या is, तो कौन कौन से हैं इसमें आपके important activities responsible for the disappearance of forest? The answer is A and B only, right? Answer A is digging of mines and answer B is constructing dams. Now move to the 16th question. Vultures in an ecosystem are scavengers. Then the importance of ecosystem lies in flow of energy known as cycling of materials. Then 18th question. Environment consciousness is related to affective aspects. These are the 18th question. Then last 4 questions. One of the major objectives of teaching of EVS at primary stage is to help the learners link classroom learning to life outside the school. Then, which one of the following should be a most important aspects of EVS teaching at primary level? Means connecting learners to the natural and socio-cultural environment. Means connecting the learners who are learning the EVS at a primary level to the natural and socio-cultural environment. Then, environment awareness develops cognitive aspects. What kind of aspects does environment awareness develops? Cognitive aspects. Then, 22nd question. In which of the following trophic levels in any ecosystem the maximum energy is stored is known as producers? Right. These are all 22 important questions for today. Now, I will meet you next Friday with some more important questions. So, that's all for today. Thank you, class. And if you like my channel, please like and subscribe and share it among your friends. Thanks a lot.